Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we have Sunshine here, and I got some vibes here for making a new tutorial. So, let's go with Calum Scott, and he's new in this channel. And he has a new song called Biblical. This one is a great love song here. Let us not waste any more time, so let's start with this one. We don't need any capo here for the song, but we need to learn 6 different chords. So, let's start with those. First, the A here. So open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. The next chord is the E. So open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then the B chord, like this, we need to bar the second fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings, and the rest will be 4th on the D, 4th on the G, and 4th on the B. Then we have the C sharp minor 7, like this. So you need to bar the 4th fret here from the A string and down. The rest will be 6 here on the D string and 5th on the B string. Then we go with the C sharp minor, and that is just to add 1 finger here on the G string, so that gives us the same position here. You're gonna bar the 4th fret, same strings from the A string and down, and the rest will be 6th here on the D, 6th even here on the G, and 5th on the B. And the final chord is the F sharp minor. So you bar all strings on the 2nd fret, and the rest will be 4th on the A and 4th on the D. So there's your 6 chords. For the intro, we have E, B, C minor, C sharp minor, of course, E and A. And you are gonna make 1 downstroke for each chord there. How I play it and how it's in the song, it's kind of, I pick those strings here, so I emphasize the top E string here on the E chord, and I emphasize the E string as well on the B chord, and also the A string on the C sharp minor. But when I go back to the E, I don't play the E top string down here at all, so I emphasize the B string. And on the final chord, the A chord, I also emphasize the B string. I don't play this top string, E string down there. So how I play it, I pick the bass on the first 3 chords. The bass on E is the open E, and on the B chord here it's the A string, and on the C sharp minor it's the A string as well, together with the top strings down here, the E, B, and G string for the first 3 chords. And for the E and A, I play the bass strings there as well. For the E, I play the E chord, E string, with the D, G, and B, and on the A I play the A string with the D, G, and B. So it will sound like this. Yeah, so only 1 round of these 5 chords. That's for the intro, so let's go to the verse here. The chord progression there will be E, B, C sharp minor 7, and back to B. You will make 2 rounds of this and only 1 downstroke for each chord on the verse here, the first verse. So nothing more to it than that when it comes to the chords and the playing. So let's go to the pre-chorus there. The chord progression will be F sharp minor, to A, to E, and to B. only this round, one round of these chords. But here you're gonna play 4 downstrokes for F sharp minor and 4 on A and 4 on E, and you're gonna end with 1 B. It's a pause there and then starts the chorus. So for the chorus, the chord progression there will be F sharp minor to A to E to B. You're gonna play 2 rounds of this and 4 downstrokes for each chord. And on the final B here for the second round, you're just gonna play 3 times, because the 4th time kind of will be a pause. And then comes this last part, which is the post-chorus. And that is where he's saying, because your love is biblical. And when you're gonna play this one, you're gonna play like this. So, yeah. So you're gonna play 1 A, 1 B, 1 C sharp minor, then 1 C sharp minor, 1 B, and 2 E's. And you're gonna end on 1 A with a pause. That is actually the whole song there. The rest of it is kind of repeat itself there with the verse and pre-chorus and chorus. It's just changes in how many times you're gonna play of everything. So I'm gonna quick go through that. So for the second verse here, you're only gonna play 1 round of the same chords as in the first verse. The only difference here is that you're gonna, instead of just playing 1 downstroke like we did in first verse, we're gonna play 4 downstrokes for each chord. So yeah, 4 times. So only 1 round of this, and then we are at the pre-chorus. Same there as the first pre-chorus, and then we go to the second chorus there. Same there as well as in the chorus we just learned. So it goes in the same way there, and it ends with the third chorus there. You're gonna play 3 rounds of this one, so that changes a little bit there as well. So 3 rounds of the third and last chorus there. And it actually ends with the post-chorus there, because your love is biblical, and that is played also in the same way. So it ends on this A, and that's about it when it comes to this song, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please thumb up, leave a comment, and don't forget, play tuned.